You want to make it in life? Take a step. You have an idea worth working for? Draw a plan. You see, many things will hold you back. The same old things killing abilities. Those thoughts in your mind trying to convince you, I'm not good enough. I'm never going to succeed. I can't do it on my own. The time is never right. Who do I have? Who will support me? Name them. You see those thoughts? They can be your black eyes only if you let them. It's time. It's time you ignore them. There isn't a fixed rule to success. The moment you step out, you will understand that success is an experiment. There is no right answer until you find it. The time is always right only if you believe in your abilities. The force is with you. Charge up. You have profit potentials. Put it to use. It's natural to feel insecure because you're traversing an unfamiliar route. Only stay focused and follow through to achieve your goals. Never become distressed due to conflicting business advice. Try one thing and then another. Follow your hunches. Test your ideas. Evaluate and redirect until you find a way that works. Keep thinking of success and it will grow into your reality. People don't value you now because they are not seeing. They are not supporting you because you haven't succeeded yet. Your friends aren't clapping because they are not seeing it happen. You are not done until the results are in. People will doubt you, but don't let them stop you. The moment you keep steady applying that which fuels your thoughts, you did be wild with joy because of leaving the old world behind. If you enjoyed this video, please react to it and never forget sharing it with family and friends.